Hello, today we'll talk about marketing, and in this case about marketing and its Transformers in the movie. I did not find the information on who the marketer was, but I found the information on which companies collaborated with the film and promoted products related to the film. One such company was Hasbro, General Motors, and others. Hasbro put on sale the toy protagonists of the movie Transformers, and the company General Motors exhibited real cars for the movie at the auto show. The target audience is people who can then watch this movie at the box office. First, this film will be released in a movie, and then it can be purchased on disc or downloaded on the internet if the consumer wishes. Demographic data for this film can be presented as follows. Gender, men or women up to 40 years. Perhaps people will go with friends or families as the film does not limit it. The film will be broadcast all over the world so that all people of different nationalities can watch it in their own language. Ficographic data for this film can be presented as follows. On this film more people will go fun, the soul of the company, dreaming, interested in learning something. Interested people who want to watch this movie and specifically purchase movie tickets. In this case, the tactic is used as much as possible to unwind the film, that is, to advertise so that more people would like to watch it for the premiere of the film. Various companies have used their products to market this film. Various advertisements and trailers are shown on television to get people interested. If we talk about a budget, then I will explain. The budget is funds, that is, the sum of certain funds allocated for the creation of anything, or improvement in the market, and that is, there may be other films in the box office that compete with each other as the interest of the film to the consumer will determine which film it will go to. Before the movie is released and on the big screen, it's about half a year or a year before the release begins to advertise in order to interest a person to go to this movie. 1 to interest a person is a movie trailer which, as I said, is released on the internet half a year before the film is shown. The trailer shows some interesting moments from the film that may be of interest to a person. Also, the film can be advertised on television, radio, or it can be on a poster and hang in a crowded place to attract as many people as possible. If we talk about popularity, then perhaps this film became popular during the rental and collect large box office and immediately begin to write about it in the newspaper, etc. Conclusion: so my products are not super cool, but they still carry an informative look that might be of interest to people who, for example, want to send their children to live in Canada. Therefore, I would place a link or video on a site with similar information about Canada and how to get there. The output of my video is mostly for people interested to go to Canada or send their children there.